There is need for urgent adoption of the local functional currency and removal of the US dollar from the multi-currency baskets in order to eliminate distortions caused by the tendency of rating against the US dollar. Alternatively, let's introduce the US dollar. That is the intention. Let's have the US dollar as the currency, or else let's just use a local functional currency for people to plan. Our second recommendation, Chair, is the urgent allocation and disbursement of foreign currency to healthcare provider disciplines and those who need to import supplies. We also need allocation and disbursement of foreign currency for foreign treatment for conditions that cannot be treated locally. Then fourth, we also want a robust conversation around the national health insurance. Right now it has been sort of like hush-hush under the table discussion. Let's put it out in the open, invite all the stakeholders just to partake in the formation of this national universal coverage, which is quite key for us to survive as a nation. As I indicated, the fifth one is the conclusion of the bill to regulate medical aid societies. We implore the committee to oversee that is expedited so that it sees the light of day.